All right, as promised, back with a little bit of percentage. 74% of what is 51? 74%, I can write as 0.74 of what? That's my unknown, that's x. So 0.74 times x equals 51. What's x going to be? Well, it's going to be 51 divided by 0.74. This would be a calculator question. And I think I have one ready. I went and found one. This will be the first time I use it. Should be fun. 51 divided by 0.74. There we go. It's approximately 68.918. Oh, it is 918 recurring. So this is 68.918 recurring. That doesn't sound right, does it? Yes, it does. 68.918 recurring. 74% of that is 51. How would I check that on my calculator? Just multiply it by 0.74. And we should end up with 51 as expected. All right, 6% of 13 is what? Oh, sorry, 6 is 13% of what? Oh, 6 is 13%, 0.13 of what? Let's call it x again. Therefore, 6 divided by 0.13 is my x. And we're back to our calculator. 6 divided by 0.13 equals, whoa, 46.15. Let's just do that approximately. 46.15 approximately equal to. Didn't want to scroll all the way there. 153846. 153846. 153846. Well, you could have done that, but that's fine. Your answer would be marked correct if you did that. No problems. 190% of what is 69? So 190% is 1.9 of x. Let's call it x again. Equals 69. What is x? X is 69 divided by 1.9. Approximately equal to 69 divided by 1.9. 36.32. 2 decimal places in this case, that's all right. 82% of 160 is what? So we've changed it this time. It's not of what, of what, of what. This is 82% of 160. So 0.82 multiplied by 160 equals 0.82 by 160. 131.2. You should be confident with all of these. 398 is what percent of 482? So how do I find that as a percentage? It's 398 out of 482, and you multiply it by 100 and stick a percent sign after it. 398 divided by 482. So I haven't multiplied it by 100. Let's do that for you just to make it easier. 82.57, approximately equal to 82.57% of 482, assuming I wrote those numbers incorrectly. Let's do it again. 398 divided by 482. 82.57 is correct. 7% of what is 243? So this is of what again? 0.07 of what? We'll call the what x equals 243. X is going to be 243 divided by 0.07. What's that going to be? 243 divided by 0.07. 3,471.428571. 3471. And hopefully some of you who've been in my class before got excited with that decimal, because of course that's a cyclic number and it's very exciting. 3/7 would be another way we could write that. Oh, let's finish off a few of these percentage ones while we're on a roll with them. Probably don't need to see that. there while I'm doing all this either, do you? 41 is what percent of 36? So this is 41 out of 336. I said 36, 336. What is that as a percentage? So I multiply by 100 and stick a percent sign. You don't push the percent sign button on your calculator. You just... Oh, that's how it turned up. Where's that calculator gone? Let's get it back. 41 divided by 336 multiplied by 100. You can do that multiplying in your head, can't you? It is 12.20 approximately. There we go. Let's find that nicer pen I was using before. What percent of 134 is 130? So it's 130 as a percent of 134 multiplied by 100. And we're going to have the answer. 130 divided by 134. 97.01%. You would think it would be pretty close to 100%, so that makes sense to me. That 97 looks a bit grubby. Hopefully you can read it, but let's just neaten it up a little bit. 76% of 105 is, so this one we know the percentage, write it as a decimal. You could write it as 76 over 100. So 76% of 105 equals 0.76 by 105, 79.8. What is 98% of 41? 98% is 0.98. Multiply that by 41. What do we get? 0.98 by 41, 40.18. I bet you're enjoying these. 59% of what is 180? So that's 0.59 of what. Let's use W for what, seeing as though they keep saying what. Equals 180. So W is going to be 180 divided by 0.59. 180 divided by 0.59. 305.08. And lucky last one for this video, I think 79% of what, so that's 0.79. W is 396.9. W is going to be 396.9. Look at that, you can tell sleep deprivation is kicking in. Maybe it's just the joy of the Hawks smashing the Bombers today. Probably a little bit of that too. 396.9 dividing by 0.79. W is approximately equal to, let's have a look, 369.9 divided by 0.79, 468.23. Approximately equal to. Percentages, hopefully you found them nice and easy. We're going to get on to the last few challenging questions. You're nearly there. Great work, guys. Catch you in the next video.